Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how to make a decoration using foil paper. You can purchase foil paper in a craft store, or you can even get it in your local dollar store sold as wrapping paper. What I did was I just cut out a little square. Now what I'm going to do is just round off the edges. Does not have to be perfect at all. Just kind of rounding it off to get somewhat of a circle. You can use any color that matches the party you want to decorate. All right, so now I'm going to take the circle and I'm just going to start cutting a spiral. Again, it doesn't matter if it's the exact uniform width throughout. Just keep cutting your way in toward the center. Be careful if small children are using the scissors, please supervise them. It's great for kids to be able to make decorations for their own party. It adds to the fun. I remember I used to make decorations with my mom when I was little, and it added to the anticipation. So now, once you get to the center, you stop, and here you have just this fun, wavy kind of thing. You have to hold it up to really see how it waves in the air. And you can suspend that from the ceiling. If it's a high ceiling, you can use ribbon to suspend it and put them all throughout the place. It's very light, so a little piece of tape will do it. And you have a nice festive decoration for very little money. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you for watching.